First, open your project folder. Exclude folders or files if needed. Add a short description of your project for the AI. Check your technologies. Select the code and content types to scan. Better selection means better AI results. Click Scan Project. JSON file is created in your project folder. Use it with ChatGPT, Cursor, or Continue IDE to give full context and improve coding accuracy. That's it. Now you can see the structure AI sees. View all folders and files. See the structure summary. Check block sizes. Important for token optimization. Explore the project relation map. View the dependency tree. Check your database structure. See which parts of each file are used in the code map. Finally, AI instructions on how to use this map.